Welcome to my channel. I'm about to let you in on my wildest travel tips yet. How to pack the ultimate personal item bag, one that works for both planes and cruise ships. We're talking the most essential, most game-changing, and yes, most ridiculously useful items you never knew you needed. And wait till you see the most surprising thing to pack. Trust me, you won't guess it. Whether you're flying across the world or setting sail on a cruise, packing smart is the difference between travel bliss and total chaos. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will blow your mind and maybe even save your next trip. Let's get into it. All right, first up, and I cannot stress this enough, this is literally the most important thing in your entire bag. I once saw a guy at JFK realize at check-in that his passport was still on his kitchen counter. His vacation ended before it started. So, pro tip, always double check your travel documents the night before and keep them in the same spot every trip. If you forget this, your trip is over before it even starts. Seriously, no passport, no boarding pass, no trip. I always keep a digital copy on my phone and email it to myself just in case. I'm talking about your travel documents, passport, boarding passes, visas. I once had a friend who lost her visa printout and had to spend hours at the airport printing a new one. Don't be that person. Keep everything together in a waterproof pouch. Without it, you're not getting past the first security checkpoint. And trust me, security lines are not the place to realize you forgot something. Pro tip, use a brightly colored pouch so you can spot it instantly in your bag. Keeping these documents in a dedicated, protected, and easily accessible pouch is a non-negotiable pro gamer move for travelers. I once saw someone dump their whole bag on the floor searching for a boarding pass. Don't let that be you. It has to be somewhere you can grab in 5 seconds flat when security asks for it. I always take a picture of my passport and ID just in case. If you ever lose them, having a photo can save you hours at the embassy. You need to be able to access these documents like a secret agent retrieving classified files. Before you even think about snacks or headphones, secure the documents. That's your mission. Don't forget your glasses and a pen to fill out any immigration documents. Okay, item number 2, your wallet and cash. Most people just grab their everyday wallet and toss it in. Big mistake. A friend once had her main wallet stolen in Rome. Luckily, she kept a backup card and some cash in a hidden pocket. Your travel wallet needs to be a completely different beast. Only bring what you need. 1 debit card, 2 credit cards, your ID, and some local currency. Leave the store cards and receipts at home. And here's the secret weapon, cash, especially local currency. I once landed in a foreign country and my card didn't work at the taxi stand. Only cash saved me from a long walk. Hide a little cash in a separate pocket or even your shoe. If you lose your wallet or get pickpocketed, you're not completely broke. Pro tip, use a money belt or hidden pouch for extra security. All right, moving on to item number 3, probably the most used item in your entire bag, your phone. It's your map, your camera, your boarding pass, your boredom buster. I once left mine charging at a cafe and nearly missed my flight. Letting your phone die while traveling is a rookie mistake. Your boarding pass, hotel confirmation, and maps are all on it. Pro tip, start your trip with a full charge and keep a portable charger handy. The outlets at the airport are like a war zone. Never count on finding one. I once had to sit on the floor next to a bathroom just to get a charge. Keep your cables bundled and always pack a backup. With a power bank, you can use your phone freely, knowing you have days of backup power right in your bag. That's peace of mind. Next up, item 4, headphones or earbuds. Not just any headphones, noise canceling is a game changer. I once sat next to a crying baby for 8 hours. Never again. The moment you flip that switch, the world just disappears. Pro tip, over-ear for comfort, earbuds for space. Just make sure they have active noise cancellation. It's just you and your music, your podcast, or blessed silence. Protect your sanity. Pack your headphones in your personal item, not your checked bag. And finally, item 5, snacks. This is your ultimate defense against getting hangry. I once paid $12 for a sad sandwich at the airport. Never again. Pack protein bars, nuts, dried fruit, jerky, anything portable, non-perishable, and energy dense. Pro tip, stash a snack in every pocket. You'll thank yourself during a delay or layover. Packing your own snacks saves you money, keeps you healthy, and ensures you're never at the mercy of an empty stomach during a travel nightmare. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, let's talk hydration. I once tried to survive a 10-hour flight with just those tiny airline cups. Never again. Item number 6 is a reusable water bottle. And trust me, it's a game changer. Go for brands like Hydro Flask or Nalgene. Insulated, stainless steel, and at least a liter. Make sure it's empty at security, then fill it up at a fountain or cafe. Free ice-cold water for the win. On cruises, refill at buffet stations. Don't pay for overpriced bottled water. And if you're eco-conscious, you'll love skipping single-use plastics. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Join the reusable bottle club and make it a non-negotiable part of your travel kit. You'll never look back. Now, item 7, your personal pharmacy and health kit. I once had to barter a granola bar for a single Tylenol on a red-eye. Don't be me. Pack your prescription meds, pain relievers, allergy pills, and a few Band-Aids. Add gum for ear pressure, mints for nausea, and cough drops. I love Altoids. They double as a mini first aid tin. Don't forget hand sanitizer. Bonus points for fun scents. Use it after touching security bins, before eating, and basically every 5 minutes. A tiny bottle goes a long way. Create a mini health kit in a zip pouch. Bandages, meds, sanitizer, and even a tiny sewing kit. You'll be the most popular person on the plane when someone needs a Band-Aid. Item 8, entertainment. Download movies, shows, and podcasts before you leave. Wi-Fi is a myth at 30,000 feet. I once survived a 5-hour delay with a downloaded season of The Office. Bring an e-reader like Kindle or Kobo. Battery lasts for weeks. Prefer paper? A paperback never runs out of juice. And don't forget noise-canceling headphones for the ultimate escape. Curate a playlist. Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music all let you download. My takeoff playlist is 90% 80s bangers and 10% guilty pleasures. No shame. Don't forget a sweater and a small blanket to keep you warm. These can come in handy when it's extremely cold or you might want to nap. Next, item 9, your toiletry kit. TSA says 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters per liquid, all in a clear quart bag. I use a Muji pouch, simple, sturdy, and see-through. Pack a travel toothbrush, mini toothpaste, face wipes, moisturizer, and lip balm. 5 minutes in the lavatory and you'll feel like a new person. I swear by Burt's Bees lip balm. Add deodorant, contact lens solution, and a tiny hairbrush. All of it fits in a pouch the size of your hand. You'll thank yourself after a red eye. Finally, item 10, extra face masks and a travel pack of tissues. Even if they're not required, I always bring a few. One time, my mask snapped mid-flight and I had to MacGyver a fix with a hair tie. Tissues are endlessly useful. Runny nose, spilled coffee, or a makeshift napkin. Pack 3 or 4 masks in a sealed bag and a small packet of soft tissues. 0 space, huge payoff. These little things won't ruin your trip if you forget them, but remembering them will make you feel like a travel genius. Hygiene and comfort are everything on long journeys. Don't skimp. Don't forget your reading glasses, sunglasses, and a pen to fill out documents for travel purposes. And there you have it, the 10 must-have items that will turn your personal item bag into the ultimate travel survival kit. From passports to snacks, every detail matters when you're on the move. Remember, being prepared means less stress and more adventure. The best trips happen when you're ready for anything. So pack smart, stay flexible, and embrace the unexpected. Before you zip up your bag, do one last final check. That's your last line of defense against forgetting something crucial. Trust me, it's worth the extra minute. What's your number 1 travel essential? Drop your best tip or must-have item in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas and learning from this awesome community. If you enjoyed this video and want more wild challenges, travel hacks, and real-world packing advice, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And don't stop here. Check out the videos on screen for more pro travel tips and epic adventures. There's so much more to explore. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this travel-loving crew. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and always pack like a pro. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next adventure.